A minor earthquake jolted Jamaica last night. It was reportedly felt in parts of Kingston and St. Andrew. As we hear in this report, Jamaica recorded more than 400 earthquakes in 2025. Aliyah Bryant reports.
The 3.1 magnitude quake shook sections of Jamaica at 10:31 p.m. Thursday. Its epicenter was approximately 5 kilometers north of Stony Hill, St. Andrew. People, including those on social media, said they felt the shaking. There were no reports of structural damage. Thursday's quake seemingly picked up where last year left off as far as seismic activity is concerned. According to scientific officer at the University of the West Indies, Mona, Carleen Black, of the earthquakes recorded in 2025, 122 were classified as near events, including seismic activity affecting neighboring territories such as the Cayman Islands, Cuba, and Haiti, while 280 were recorded locally and were distributed across Jamaica. 7 of those earthquakes were felt by people. 2 were recorded in Portland, 2 in St. Thomas, another 2 in St. Elizabeth, and 1 in St. Andrew. In the wake of Hurricane Melissa, Ms. Black is cautioning that persons rebuilding in affected coastal areas may be vulnerable to liquefaction, a phenomenon caused by intense shaking in water-saturated sandy soil, which can lead to ground instability during earthquakes.
This phenomenon, if you do not do your foundations properly, could cause your homes and structures to sink or tilt. And so as you build back, I would like you to also consider these things.
Earthquake Awareness Week is scheduled for January 11 to 17, 2026. In the meantime, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM) says it is ramping up efforts to educate the public on what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. ODPEM Director General, Commander Alvin Gale, says a series of discussions on different earthquake preparedness topics will take place throughout the week to strengthen public awareness and safety.
It's also important that we partner with those involved in the mitigation, the building code matters, and general preparation to ensure that Jamaica's population or children or businesses right across multi-sectoral agencies are able to recognize the effects and also be strictly prepared to engage their communities, engage the children, engage their workers, and the broader communities in being prepared, and also to look at the necessary actions to be taken during, before, and immediately after any earthquake event.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.